To make this rose napkin ring, you are going to need medium weight yarn, Rikurumi lame, a 5mm crochet hook, a 6.5mm crochet hook, yarn needle, a pair of scissors, and lighter. Holding two strands together with your 5mm crochet hook, make a slip knot and then chain 17. Change to your 6.5mm hook and start into the third chain from the hook. Make one double crochet, chain 2 and another double crochet into the same stitch. Repeat for each chain. One double crochet, chain 2 and another double crochet into the same stitch. To make the petals, you are going to turn your work and slip stitch into your 2 chain space. Chain 1 and make one single crochet into the 2 chain space. Working into the same 2 chain space, you are going to make 5 half double crochets. And a single crochet into the same 2 chain space. Repeat until you have 5 petals in total. Now to make the next 5 petals, you are going to go into the next 2 chain space, make 1 half double crochet, 5 double crochets, and 1 half double crochet. Repeat this step until you have 5 petals in total. Now to make your last 5 petals, you are going to go into the next 2 chain space, make 1 double crochet, 5 treble crochets, and 1 double crochet into the same 2 chain space. Repeat for your remaining 2 chain spaces. You should have 5 petals in total. Now chain 2 and slip stitch down here. Chain 1 and make 3 single crochets into this stitch down here. Chain 1 and turn your work, make 1 single crochet on top of each single crochet. You should have 3 in total, and you are going to repeat this step until you have 10 rows of single crochets. Chain 1 and fasten off, leave tail for the sewing. We are going to turn our work into a rose. So you are going to go in a circular mode. Like this. Once it's looking like a rose, you are going to take your yarn needle and sew your single crochet rows to create a ring like this. So on this side, sew first the band that you've made, and then you are going to sew your rows in place so that it's not going to come undone. We are going to tie the ends together, trim off, and the Rikorumi lame, you need to burn the ends down so that it's not going to unravel. Et voilà, that's it.